a 0. I know. I need to get a new one really bad. I've had this forever. But it's Thursday. I just got up like 30 minutes ago. It's my birthday. So I woke up and Bo got me this. So this needs to be put on ice ASAP. I'm gonna get up, make some coffee, and then we're gonna go and start the birthday festivities. I feel so special. Bo made coffee and pancakes, but they're like crepe kind of pancakes. They look so good. Thank you. Breakfast was so good. I'm just getting ready to go to Starbucks real quick. I'm going to get my free birthday drink, and then we're going to pick up a cake that my mom sent us, so very pumped about that. I'm not wearing any makeup other than I'm wearing just a little bit of lipstick and then some highlighter, and then I'm just gonna let my hair air dry because we're gonna come back. I'm gonna go lay out by the pool because it is a beautiful day. I just want to like kind of chill today until tonight, and yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing this tank from Brandy Melville, and then biker shorts from Brandy Melville, and then this flannel that I have absolutely no idea where I got it from, but I'm just gonna wear this to go and pick up a few things and then head back here and get my tan on. So we're coming to pick up a package real quick before we go out, and I see these little guys. How cute are they? I have no idea what the package is or who it's from. There was no name, so about to find out. Guys, it's so pretty outside today. I was really hoping it would be sunny on my birthday because it's been quite rainy, to be honest, but you know, I can't wait to get back here and just lay out and just enjoy the day. I've done a lot of reflecting on the past year, and there's so many things that I am so thankful for, and I've learned a lot at 23, and I hope for 24 that I'll just learn even more. And yeah, it's been a good day so far, and it's only 10:30. So we made it back home. I went and got my free Starbucks drink. I got the biggest drink they had. I just got a peach green tea lemonade with 5 pumps of the cane sugar instead of 7. And this drink is giant, it's bigger than me. And then we picked up this from Nothing Bundt Cakes. My parents sent this to us. It's Blueberry Bliss, Marble, and Red Velvet. So pumped to try those tonight. I've only had the red velvet and it's so good, so I'm really excited to try those. And it has a cute little card. So we're just gonna change real quick into our swimsuits, go lay out by the pool, get our tan on. So we're now going to the pool, going to lay out. It's so pretty outside. I'm hoping to get a lot more tan today. Back in from the pool, just made some lunch. I ended up making some turkey burgers, and so we're gonna have jalapeno chips, some turkey burgers. They look pretty freaking good on a wheat brioche bun. Have a little bit of arugula, cheese, grilled onion, and bell pepper. And these are the best chips on the planet. I can eat this entire bag by myself. We were gonna wait till later. Well, I was gonna wait till later, but Bo really wants to eat one right now. So we're just gonna try a little bit of one. We just got done eating lunch. Okay, this is the red velvet, beautiful. This is the marble, which I really wanna save for tonight, after dinner. And then this one is the limited edition flavor, and it's Blueberry Bliss. That looks really good. Wow. Oh my gosh, that looks phenomenal. Okay, take a bite. Ooh. Good?
It's pretty fire.
It's pretty fire? Okay, I'm gonna try some. I'm literally so cold, but I'm about to start my makeup. I'm just gonna go ahead, clean off my beauty blender. We're gonna go out to dinner, maybe do a little bit of exploring down in downtown or something. I didn't want to do like too much for my birthday just because I've been like going and going, so I just wanted to like chill, just have a really nice, relaxing, fun day. And it's been great so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face. Guys, that red velvet cake, that was some good freaking stuff. And we're gonna come back, have some more cake tonight with champagne. So excited. Freezing, so I'm putting my robe back on. It's so cold in here. Bo literally has it probably like 60 degrees. Okay, so I don't really know what I want to do with my makeup. I want it to be very glowy, dewy, fresh, obviously. That's what I'm always striving for. So, I don't know. I might look on Pinterest and try to get some ideas. Also, I really need to get a new robe. I've had this for so long, and I absolutely love it. It's, I don't know, it's just really comfortable, and I love it. But I really want a big, fuzzy, white one. And there's one from Pottery Barn that I'm dying to have, so maybe I need to just go and get it, you know? Start off with my strip cream though. I'm almost out of this, so I really need to get to the mall. I should have got some the other day when I was at the mall with Emily, but I didn't even think about it. Although I don't even know if MAC is open yet. I know the one back home is not, so this one also might be closed. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead, get started on my makeup, try to figure something out on what to do. So I'm about to start on hair. I'm trying to debate if I want to put on fake lashes or not. I hardly ever wear fake lashes unless it's like really special occasion. I don't know if I'm feeling it or not, so I'll decide after I do my hair. I don't know what I want to do with it. I might curl it. Hair's all done. Now I'm gonna get dressed. Still trying to decide on these lashes. Okay, so we're going to go get dinner finally. This is my finished makeup. I did end up putting on the lashes, as you can tell. And I just showed you guys my outfit. It's so cute. It's from Princess Polly. And I curled my hair, so I'm excited to go and eat. I'm starving, and yeah, I'll show you guys the food. But we just got done eating dinner. Absolutely incredible. All the food was amazing. I think the potatoes were my favorite. What was your favorite?
The steak.
I didn't eat the steak because I don't eat beef anymore, but phenomenal food. And now we're gonna go and catch the sunset. It's really sunny right now, but hopefully it'll be nice and setting by the time we get to where we're going. we're back home. I'm about to take my makeup off real quick. I don't really want to take it off though because it looks so pretty tonight. So we watched the sunset at this place called Love Circle. I've been wanting to go there for quite some time now since I moved here. So I'm so glad we got to go to that. The sunset was so pretty and there was a really pretty view of the city. So I'm super happy about that. So now we're gonna get in some sweats, take my makeup off, watch New Girl, eat cake, and drink champagne. Because what else is there to do on your birthday? I can't reach the champagne glass up there. So I'm waiting for Belle to come and get that down. Short people problems, really. Yum! Oh my god, it looks so good. Okay, so I just got ready for bed. I'm so tired from today. I feel like I've just been up for 10 years. But I had a really great birthday today. I had so much fun and I don't know, it was just a really good day. Thank you to everyone who wished me happy birthday, and I hope you guys have a great night or day, whatever time of day you're watching this video. I hope it's great. And yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep because I have to get up early in the morning, but I'm so thankful for everything and everyone in my life, and today was just a really good day. So I wanted to go ahead and end the vlog off here. So I will catch you guys in my next video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. Alright, bye guys.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.